Want to know how to set up Cursor in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So this video is specifically for the people who have freshly signed up or created an account in Cursor. So we have also created a video on how to register on Cursor, so make sure to watch it. So once that is done, this comes the personalization or registration part. So you can just simply customize your experience. So what you can do is you can just simply select how you can be a cursor and which role is described for you. So you can just simply select continue. So once that is done, you can either select your pro plan or skip for now, and here you can either enable or disable sharing data. Select continue once again. And now once after that, here you can connect with 4 different applications, that is GitHub, Slack, and Linear, and much more. So you can just simply select connect right here in order to connect with them. Select continue. Now you can just simply select your login email, select yes login, and now it should open up Cursor immediately. So once you are successfully signed up to, now you need to log in. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.